Good morning, everybody. So we are back on Ken's Wagyu, aka the Rusto mod. And you ready? You ready? You ready? Damn. So I took the time, made sure everything was taped up really good. Cleaned up the old spark plugs, wire wheeled them. Then brake parts cleaned them so I can put them in temporarily so I can get everything painted. Plugged all the ports, plugged all the air tubes. And we're getting a good start on it. It's just I'm trying to do it in layers so that it doesn't get any runs and it looks like it did from when the factory painted it, except better. Well, I can only wish. But it'll look good when I'm done. But yeah, we're getting there, guys. So we'll try and get some more video done today on this. I don't know how far I'll be able to get, but I'll do the best I can, guys. And on that one, see ya. Ready? I didn't take an intermediate video. I just showed you guys the beginning. So, in the dawn of... No, I'm kidding. And 3, 2, 1. That came out so nice. That's going to look so nice with all the new parts on it. Now that it's done, I got to tape off the 2 top holes until we're ready to start mounting things. But yeah, that came out really good. I'm very happy with its looks. Okay, so there's a good couple hours worth of work done, taken care of, and taped, painted, 3 coats, and now I'll leave it outside to bake. But on that note, we'll see you guys on the next one.